meow.
Is that what she's doing?
Yeah.
Shit. Why the hell can't I do it?
You're so funny.
Oh,
You just kind of like you're the tip of the tongue go loose and I don't know how to explain that.
Against like what, the roof of your mouth?
Yeah. It's air that does it on the top of your tongue. She's a pro.
I can't believe that you're doing that.
Yeah.
Okay, well obviously I'm not fitting in here. So.
Oh, babe. Look, we made him feel bad.
Do that. Do that. See, you can't.
She's been doing that for like 6 months. Look at her.
Probably been saying mama for 6 months.